Hey guys, it's Annie, Creative.Cliche. Today I'm going to show you how to get this warm-toned, glittery, rose gold smoky eye. Is it really a smoky eye though? I guess it kind of is. It's like warm-toned, smoky eye. Yeah, I think this turned out really well. It's funny because I didn't really have any direction in this, but it turned out well. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing this makeup tutorial, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I have this idea for like a rose gold eyeshadow look, but I'm thinking of using like gold eyeshadow and then topping it off with like a pink glitter to kind of like give it that rose gold effect. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna try. I think for starters, I'm gonna go in with the CARLI BYBEL palette. So this is this guy. It's hard to see it on camera because it's like a white palette with silver writing on here, but I think I'm gonna go in with I'll go in with more of like the gold tone shade right next to the coppery bronze one. So it's this one right here. Just gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm just gonna use my fingers for these. They do blend out really well with a brush, but I just find that I get so much more pigment when I use my fingers, especially for shimmers. So I'm just popping this all over my lid here. And I'm just going in with my pinky, and I'm going right underneath there. And I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. Okay, so to darken up my crease a little bit and to darken up a little bit under my eye, just to give it a little bit more definition, I'm gonna go in with this shade here. It's this center shimmery brown. It feels so weird using shimmers right now. I kind of steered away from them for a little bit and just did a ton of matte shades, I feel like, as of recently. Which is funny because I hated matte shades like forever. I've never liked them, so I don't even know what happened. But I've been getting really into like mauve-y shades. But yeah, but I still love this palette. I got 2 of these like I told you guys. Well, first of all, I want to support CARLI because I love her. I'm sure that everyone knows who she is, so I don't even have to like explain. I feel like we're definitely gonna be best friends one day. I'm gonna be best friends with her and Nicole Guerrero. It's gonna happen. But I love all these shades. These are like so me. I just love all of like the really bronzy, warm shades. But this palette, if you don't like shimmers, you probably won't like this one. And it doesn't have a black, which I don't care because I never use black eyeshadow except for like outlining characters and things like that. But I don't use it to really like deepen up anything. I feel like I'm like really boring today. I like couldn't decide what to make a video on. And I was like, you know what? I just wanted to do something fun. So that's why I'm doing this rose gold look and incorporating some glitter. But I keep getting in these ruts where I have a lot of ideas written down for videos. Every time I sit down to film, it's like I all of a sudden think that they're stupid ideas, you know? I don't know, I have to like feel it in the moment in order to do it, or else I like can't even like get in the mode of doing it. I wish that I could just sit down and just go through like the first idea that's in there and just check it off, delete it, and then like, you know, continue throughout my list for other videos. Are you guys like that too, or is it just me? Like, it just drives me nuts. Okay, I'm gonna go into this like cool toned matte brown just to deepen up a little bit further. I feel like shimmers are hard to see on like the bottom lash line and it just kind of looks muddy, you know? I feel like all of a sudden this took like a really like dark turn and I'm like, can I still make this into like a rose gold look? I guess I can still just do like the eyelids. I obviously didn't think this one through, guys. I think we can save it though. I feel like once you add like glitter to anything though, it's like, it just like miraculously like fixes everything. Do you guys have an eyebrow that arches up higher than your other one? It just like drives me nuts. And I feel myself picking this brow up, but I don't know why I'm doing that. I just have like this one like sassy brow. Now I'm just gonna pop on eyeliner real quick. I'm still using that ink liner by LUMINESS Cosmetics, and this is the Precision Tip 1mm Persuasion eyeliner. And what a coincidence, it's in like a rose gold tube. I actually really like this guy. I've talked about these in the past, and markers in general just dry out so quickly. I like don't even bother purchasing them, but I do love them. What I figured out is I like using them for like the first half of my eye, and then I go in with like an ink liner to do my wing, because these are pretty hard to do like a wing. I don't know if you guys feel that way about it or not. This contact company sent these to me, that TTDI. They have really cool contacts, by the way. I wonder if it ever gets easier to do your makeup like this. Because this kind of feels like a nightmare right now. But everyone else does it so easy. Okay, and I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, now I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar ink liner. Okay, so this is just called the Ink Gel Eyeliner, and it's in the color Blacklist. I love this eyeliner. It's like super pigmented and it really like sticks on. The only thing that's kind of weird is the brush for it. It's like all of the eyeliner, it's like real chunky here. It just like builds up there because when it goes in, I guess it catches all of the product around there. And it just like, ugh, it's all gooky. Oh my god, my back hurts from doing that. That was like a nightmare. I don't know how people use these things. Maybe I'll just stick with the palette. Okay, so now I'm debating over which glitter to use. So I have this loose glitter that's at least like 10 years old. It has to be, because I don't even remember where I got this. There's this is like a light pink, or I can use that palette where I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Astral. It's spelled A-S-T-R-A-L. I don't know. But there's like a light pink glitter in here that I could use. And these are nice because you can just pop it on without using any glue. But I mean, this might be fun because it's like completely covers your eyelid. Which I do. You know what? I'm gonna do the loose glitter because why not? So to apply this, I'm gonna use the Ben Nye Glitter Glue. So it kind of just looks like a clear nail polish. And these, I like to just apply them on my actual finger and put them on. And with this stuff, you kind of have to work quick. So I'm just gonna grab that, put it on my finger here. Holy shit, this is gonna be a mess. And I'm just gonna grab that brush that I used in the crease here and try to get off any excess glitter up here so I can just keep it on the lid. Now I'm just going in with a clean brush to go underneath here, just wipe off that glitter. Ooh, that is pretty. Right, other side. Just gonna go over a few areas of my eyeliner where there's glitter over it, just to keep that line sharp. Alright, now I'm just gonna pop on lashes real quick. Alright guys, so the lashes that I used are Amoris lashes. I get these right on Amazon. I actually have a pack that I just ordered, so I'll show you guys. But they come in like a pack of 6. Can't even see what they look like. What am I doing? But this is what they look like. So these are their version of a wispy lash. These are just, I've been using them for such a long time. I get them in a 6-pack on Amazon for $10. You can't beat it. And also, my eyes like get weighed down easily with lashes, so I need a really lightweight pair. And these are honestly perfect because yeah, they're wispies, but you can really build them up to be dramatic. And I already have mascara on these because these are like maybe like my 7th time reusing these, but I'm just gonna top them off again. I didn't want anything like too dramatic to cover up the sparkles. Like I feel like this is like a good, like still looks like, I don't even know, I'm trying to explain. All right, and for blush, the writing's wiped away on this one, but this is the Kim Kardashian, or maybe it's just the Kardashian brand. But this is in, I guess it's called Tender Ombre Cheek color. Tender. So this looks like, I don't even know if the camera will pick it up. It's like very shimmery. It's like a gradient. Oh, there we go. So you can see like 3 different kinds of pink shades there. I'm gonna take that darkest color and just pop it on my cheeks here. Gives you like a nice like icy pink. Then I'm gonna go back in with the CARLI BYBEL palette, and for the highlight I'm gonna use the light pink one. This guy here. I'm also gonna grab a small angled brush and pop that right on my brow bone here. And for my lips, I think I'm gonna do the color Stone by Dose of Colors. This guy. Alright guys, let me just do my hair real quick and I'll be back. Should I do another snap transition or is that like too much? Ah. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I love this. I'm actually gonna go out to dinner right now on this because it's just like magical. I swear, like glitter just like really like picks you up, you know? I was in like such a rough mood today. I didn't know what to film and I was like, you know what? I just wanna like sit down and just do something fun, you know? And not really think about it too much. So I hope that you guys had fun and thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. I feel like I was like weird up until like this moment right now. I'm like, yeah, and now I feel like I can go right into like a talking video. Like, let's chat. Now it's like, oh, it's the end of the video. Can't do it.